Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Hope you all are doing great. In today's video, we are going to make banana chips at home. Here we have a lot of raw bananas, so I thought I will try making banana chips today. Here I am taking 6 to 7 of the raw bananas that I will be using today. As you can see, it comes with a lot of dust and dirt, so we need to give this a really good wash. Raw banana is a good source of iron and there are a lot of ways to incorporate them in your daily diet. Once done with cleaning, I will take the chopping board and will cut out the edges. Now I will lightly peel its skin. I am not peeling the skin completely. So here I have all the bananas ready. As you can see, I have removed the skin very lightly. Now I will take my chopper and I am using this blade that is used to make chips. Because I did not peel the skin completely, it may be a little difficult to chop the entire banana, but that's completely fine. Here we have few pieces ready from the first banana. They are very thin as you can see and all of them have got the same thickness. Now I will continue with the remaining bananas as well. Using a chopper makes it really easy and saves a lot of time. And here I am done. I have few pieces left here and there, and also the chopper has become a little sticky because it was raw banana. But if you are making potato chips, it won't be difficult to clean the chopper. And here we have all the chopped pieces ready. And here is the leftover. It's basically the skin that I did not peel completely. But don't think it will be a waste because you can use it in making your curries or gravies. I'll keep it aside and in a bowl adding few spoons of water. Into that adding salt as per taste and red chili powder as per taste. Give this a good mix. And keep it aside. Now I will heat up a kadhai. Once it is heated up, I am adding mustard oil. You can add any oil of your choice. Once oil is heated up, I will start adding the bananas and will allow them to fry. Because we did not add salt in the bananas, I am going to add the salt and red chili powder mix here. We'll add 1 spoon of that and give this a good mix. After a few seconds, I am adding another spoon. Allow this to cook in medium flame until bananas are done and ready. Once they are nicely fried and cooked and turns a little golden brown, separate the oil and keep it aside. In the meanwhile, I will start frying the second batch of bananas. We'll repeat the same process of adding the mixture of salt and red chili powder. And here we have all the bananas ready. It has got the perfect thickness and they break really easy. I will serve this in a plate. Adding pinch of red chili powder and pinch of black pepper powder as well. We'll add the required quantity of chips in the plate. And enjoy this with a cup of tea. So that's all for today's video. I hope you liked this video. If you did, do make sure to like this video, leave a comment and subscribe to the channel. Until we meet next time, stay healthy and happy. Bye bye.